So now you want to mark attendances for your students. It is very, very easy. After clicking on student attendance on your menu, this window is going to appear. And here's where you'll be able to mark attendance for your students. So as a class teacher, you're going to see the class that you have been assigned, and that is the only class that you'll be able to mark attendance for. But since I'm logged in as the teacher, you'll be able to mark attendance for the whole school. But now I'll have an added step where I'm required to select the class that I want to mark the register. So I'm just going to select the option, select the date. So you as the class teacher will also see the provision to select the date, then select the class. So for this case, I'm just going to do grade 3. Then after that, click display for the class teachers. Below that, a table will be displayed with all your students. So you'll be able to see all the students that you have. So your task here will be very, very simple. What you'll be required to do for a case where, let's say, Agri is present, you're just going to check. And if they are not present, you leave it as blank. Check, check, check. If all the students are present, be sure to click this checkbox so that every student is selected. And to make it easier, you could check these as present and just uncheck those that are absent, because 90% of the time you find that those that are absent are less than those that are present. Then now when you look at this table, you can see it has a number of columns. You can see student name, the admission number, the gender, then the attendance stats, the class, and the action button. So I have a keen interest here, the attendance statistics. So you'll be able to see that this student Agre is 1 out of 2, which is 50%. So what this means is that this student was present one time out of the 2 times the attendance was taken this particular term. So you'll be able to see the statistics of attendance for this student in this term. So now, away from that table, we're just going to click submit. Then you're going to confirm the date. So this is the date that you selected earlier. You're just going to confirm the date and you say yes. And the good thing about this is that you're able to do it a number of times. So let's say if you did something wrong, you have a chance to do it again. So now once you're done, you'll also be able to view attendance. So you'll view attendance, you'll select the date and display. And when you display, you'll be able to see attendance for the whole school. So again, this is for the head teacher. So we're going to dwell on grade 3 and we are going to view. And when we view, we'll be able to see those students that are present and those that are absent. So let me just come back to call register. We have selected grade 3 and then we display what was our date? 3rd of July. Okay, which is yesterday. So when I view attendance, I'm also going to select 3rd of July so that now we come and see grade 3. You can see 12 students are present, 3 students are absent. So I'm just going to click view. Then I'll be able to see the number of students that are present. So you can see the first table holds the students present, then the table below that holds the students absent. So you'll be able to see the students that are present, absent. Then in the same note where we are viewing students, I'm just going to take one student's admission number, like Gloria here. Then, but before I leave, you're also able to select the date. So if you want to show attendance for a different date, just select the date and you display. So if I come and take 1st July, I display. You'll be able to see no students are present because the attendance was not taken and everyone else was absent. So now from that, I've already copied an admission number. I'm going to come and take the last option, which is view attendance for a specific student. I'm going to paste the admission number, then I display. So what I want to see here is the attendance of this student in a particular month. So here's where I track the attendance of the student. And if the school is going to be integrated with biometric, you'll be able to see the time in and the time out. So you can see the student here is present and the register has been taken. So it has only been, the student has only been present on Friday, the 1st week of July. So we can always select whatever month we need. So if it's June, we can see June, they were present only once. Let's see the other month, we can see also May. The student has been present also once. So those are the 3 things that you're able to do under the student attendance. So just to recap what you're able to do in this field, 1 is that you'll be able to call registers, that is to mark attendance. Number 2, you'll be able to view attendance for the whole school. And number 3, you'll be able to view attendance for a specific student just to track their presence or attendance in school. So that is what you'll be able to do in this window. Thank you.